So this, you can work on any size. I'm just using A4, and you want, this is thin card, but you basically want to fold it into 8. So I'm just folding it 3 times, which will give me 8 sections. So you see when I unfold, it's good to have sharp fingers or firm folds. So I've got 8 sections like this, and then I'm going to cut up through the middle fold along 3 of the sections. So I've sort of created a pair of trousers, and then I'm going to make a sort of like concord with the folded one that is holding the paper together in the middle, and make sure the other piece is concertina back in and out. So basically you end up with something like that. So you've got the folded section in the middle and the others all fold in to meet it. Okay. And then put that to one side, and then the cover, I'm going to fold a piece of paper lengthwise like this, or horizontal this way. And some sharp folds. And I'm going to make the spine, so I'm going to fold in to about a centimetre from the edge. And then I'm going to fold back the other way. So this is hopefully creating 2 fairly equal sides, like covers. So you see I've got my spine. And then I'm just literally going to fold in to meet the spine. Again, sort of equally. I'm doing this by sort of guesswork, but you sort of put it down to fold it. You've got kind of 2 folds, and that's your cover with your side flaps for your author facts. And then you can just take the one that you've folded. So it's best if you have the folded edge in the middle of the fold on top, because then it will all stay together without any need for glue. And you just put the end flap into the cover. And then put the other end into the other cover. And you've got your little book.
That's so beautiful.
So obviously this is was A3 paper, so you could have the author is the B's on the spine. So this is my B facts with sort of collage. It's a bit unstuck in the heat, but it's all just basically one piece of A3 with an A3 cover. And the other thing you could do while you're folding a piece of paper into 8, which actually might have blown away, so maybe I can't show you. Oh yeah, you can. So these are some bees I painted. Again, it's folded into 8, but I made a cut to the 2 middle sections, and then you've got something that could be pages, but it could be something more sculptural. So,
it's lovely. Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
That's beautiful. Thank you, Sarah.